To dream that you are enjoying alcohol in moderation denotes contentment and satisfaction in the decisions that you have made. Success is within your grasp. The dream may also be a metaphor for spirits and your need for spiritual enrichment. To dream that you are consuming alcohol in excess signifies feelings of inadequacy, worries, regrets, and fears of being discovered for who you really are. You are using alcohol as a way to escape or as an excuse for something you did. Alternatively, the dream may be reflective of waking issues and problems of alcoholism. Recovering alcoholics often have dreams of drinking, which results in feelings of guilt. Such dreams help to reinforce their sobriety. To dream that someone is an alcoholic, and he or she is not one in real life, indicates that this person is in desperate need for an outlet to express himself or herself. He or she may be